Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Jocelyn Otero. Please have a seat and enjoy watching to my video, guys. And don't forget to press the like and subscribe button and bell all.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel, guys. Please do subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. And today's my vlog, guys, is about these vegetables. Do you know this one, guys? I tell you frankly, in the Philippines, guys, before, I don't know this vegetable. It looks like upo, but it's not upo, guys. The upo is bigger, this one, and this one is small. Small. So this vegetable, guys, called zucchini. And today my recipe is zucchini with pork. I have a meat pork here, pork chop without any fats. So, and my spices is garlic and ginger. In this recipe, guys, we need this soy sauce for seafood soy sauce, and of course salt and a little black pepper. So we prepare our vegetable. We need to peel off the skin. I will use only one of the zucchini.
Cut the pork like this. Small strip, guys. Small strips. Like this. Ayan. Tapos na siyang na-slice. Small strips of ang pork, guys, ato siyang i-marinate. A bit of soy sauce. A bit of salt. A bit of salt, and then black pepper. Okay. Mix. Hi everyone, I want to share to you another way of cooking this zucchini. And we use this cut hair strip of this zucchini to cut this zucchini. So it will goes like this. So it looks like a pasta. Kung namimiss mo yung kumain ng pasta, guys, use this one as your pasta. You see? So healthy na, iwas ka pa sa high in carbohydrates. So, dami. Look like marami. So we heat up our wok and put the little oil here. And then add the garlic and onion, or garlic and ginger. Okay, garlic and ginger, and then as you see, my pork is a quick mini, so we take only a small amount. Okay, stir and stir. Pwede na ito, golden brown na. I-add natin yung zucchini. Stir. And then add a little bit of water. add a little bit of water and then a pinch of salt. Little bit of